Starting around 20 August 2023, a share vastness in every way that really matters is exchanging at $4.92 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.36% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a truly significant manner. Axie has a complete market cap of $693,239,879, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,701,073, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. This truly makes a share limitlessness, Axie, especially positioning at 49 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what, for the most part, is the share boundlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will a share vastness in every practical sense be fundamentally worth in 2023, or so they especially thought? Is a share endlessness a kind of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Amazingly, will Axie's cost basically outperform its unsurpassed sort of high in a kind of enormous manner? These explicitly are a share boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future sort of additional appearance. How on the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the share vastness cost expectation end of 2023, what will a share limitlessness in a real sense be genuinely worth in 2023, which all things considered is very critical. A share boundlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023, as per the share vastness figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost especially is supposed to in a real sense cross a very normal value level of $7.10, the normal kind of least value worth of a share limitlessness toward the finish of the especially current year ought to by and large be $6.80, exhibiting the way that Axie by and large has an essentially all-out market cap of $693,239,879, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,701,073, which for the most part is very huge. Besides, Axie can basically arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $7.73, which by and large is very critical. Axie's value gauge August 2023. With respect to August 2023, a share endlessness especially is supposed to in a real sense arrive at least value worth of $5.77. Or so they in every practical sense thought. The Axie cost could explicitly arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $6.49, with the in every way that really matters normal cost around $6.31 in an unpretentious way. A share boundlessness value forecast September 2023. The cost of a share limitlessness certainly is explicitly anticipated to sort of reach at a really least worth of $6.20 in September 2023. Which certainly is very critical. The Axie cost could especially arrive at a truly greatest worth of $6.81, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023, or so they by and large thought. A share limitlessness, Axie value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, a share endlessness cost fundamentally is conjecture to truly arrive at a sort of the least cost of $6.33. Especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Axie cost could explicitly arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $7.06, with the truly normal expected cost around $6.57, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie value conjecture November 2023. The share endlessness gauge for November 2023 expects that the Axie may in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $7.39, with a truly least cost of around $6.59, showing how Axie's value estimate August 2023. Concerning August 2023, a share boundlessness generally is supposed to explicitly arrive at an essentially least value worth of $5.77, or so they truly thought. Discussing the kind of typical value Axie can sort of stretch around $6.83 for November. Truly further appearance how these sort of are a share boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future. Certainly further appearance how on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the share vastness cost forecast finish of 2023. What will a share endlessness sort of be somewhat worth in 2023 in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking? A share limitlessness, Axie value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, The cost of a share vastness basically is explicitly anticipated to, in a real sense, arrive at a kind of typical cost of $7.10, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $7.73 and an in every practical sense, least of $6.80, which really is genuinely critical. A share limitlessness essentially past value examination and the vary beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been especially diminished by 0.65% in its by and large current worth, showing how a share boundlessness value expectation September 2023. The cost of a share vastness in a real sense is generally anticipated to truly reach at least worth of $6.20 in September 2023 in a genuinely significant way. Assuming we look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Axes with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap certainly is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. A share endlessness in a real sense is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, showing how starting around 20 August 2023 a share vastness generally is exchanging at $4.92 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.36% in for the most part most recent 60 minutes, which by and large is very critical. The Axis truly is down to nearly 16.59% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days amazingly. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for in every practical sense, past sort of couple of days. The coin could for the most part have kind of solid essentials yet. We don't fundamentally feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, showing how the Axis by and large is down to nearly 16.59% in the essentially most recent 7 days. All things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking, inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Axes for the most part diminished by 47.628%, killing an incredible by and large normal amount of $4.48 from its genuinely current worth. Further appearance, how the Axis cost could essentially arrive at a truly greatest cost of $6.49, with the typical cost around $6.31. Which generally is genuinely huge. This unexpected down really implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a fundamentally decent buy and large purchase, a potential open door for pretty fast venture. So the Axis cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest cost of $7.06, with the very normal expected cost around $6.57 in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 58.04%, and the cost commonly flowed from a truly least beautiful typical cost of $10.80 to in every practical sense, greatest genuinely normal cost of $12.31 in the very beyond 90 days, which truly